So welcome to the Rope Trading Communities video, and this is your Bitcoin and Solana analysis using volume spread analysis. So recently market had created a downfall up to 15 to 20% in a one single day, and every single crypto investors or traders thought that market is crashing or something like that. I don't think market is crashing because you're gonna get that answer in volume spread analysis. I'm gonna clearly show you what's happening in the charts, and I'm going to show you what's the next move of these two coins, because I'm personally thinking about buying back these two coins because Solana is something that I already bought in the previously. It's on a really good portfolio. This is one of the most major multi-bagger coin for me. So technically I'm thinking about buying back again. So where I'm buying back and what are the next plans for these two coins. So every single thing I'm going to explain in the form of technical analysis using VSA. Now let's go back to the trading view terminal. Okay. So right now we are in the BTC USDT, that is Bitcoin charts right here on the trading view terminal, and this is 1 day time frame. And right here, what are the levels which I drawed? These are the levels which I showed you in the previous video of cryptocurrency, in which I made a basics of VSA series. On that I have mentioned one of the videos, does volume spread analysis works on cryptocurrency, and link will be in the description. You can go ahead and watch that video in which I clearly mentioned these levels, and it's the same level which I drawed right here. And exactly I told you that these are levels which I buy cryptocurrencies because supply was reducing right here and demand was increasing, and at the same time we had some confirmations market will rally from these levels. So that's why I bought it, and when I made the video my market was already around these levels. Now when we talk about the recent 10% 15% downfall of the market, so technically on 4th December 2021 we had around 15% move on the Bitcoin, on almost all the altcoins out there, almost all the major coins out there. There was a huge downfall. There was 10 15% 20% downfall on all the coins right there. And personally I was wondering what's happening. When I checked volume spread analysis, I got all the answers right here. Now I'm going to explain right here. Now what I'm going to do is, this is a stopping volume. Okay, so this is a pattern called stopping volume in volume spread analysis. If I'm going to on the indicator right here, you can see this is a stopping volume right here. So whenever stopping volume occurs in the market, it means that the buyers, initiative buyers, are entering the market. But at the same time you have to realize that stopping volume can occur anywhere right there. But the problem is that you have to recognize as a trader where the stopping volume is valid. Right here, these are the volume levels, right? I'm gonna, okay, is this a smart money activity right here? Obviously yes. So these are the volume levels, and these are the levels which I personally bought it. This was a very important level. That's why market even reacted to these levels, and market started its move towards upside. The same thing happened right here. When market reached this level, that's how the volume got increased right here. Let's go to 15-minute time frame right here and let's see what happened right here. Okay, look at this right here. When the market touched these levels around 42,000, yeah, 42,500, market had a huge volume right here. Why do you think this happened? This happened because initiative buyers, the whales are there in smart money. Let's say in stock market we call them FIs and DIs, the smart money, the big players. In cryptocurrency we call them crypto whales. Okay, technically there are people who buy cryptocurrencies with huge quantities. Okay, so technically the initiative buyers are started creating their positions around these levels. They kept the limit orders right here. So that's why when market reacted to these levels, we had a huge volume right here, and market started creating a stopping volume right here. So that's what happened. At the end of the day, we had a stopping volume on Bitcoin. And right now, if you talk about what's the next move for Bitcoin, for all the safe traders out there, if you want to buy the cryptocurrency, if you want to buy the Bitcoin, you can buy above these levels. Okay, I would recommend that, because if market has a responsive sellers right here, market might continue its move towards downside. It might hold these levels again and it might go up. Now what is the next move for this one particular coin? Now market is holding these levels and it's holding for a very long time. It's a clear sign that their sellers are definitely exhausted, because we had a huge volume right here compared to it. Okay, as you can see, this was one of the smart money's presence right here. After that we had a huge stopping volume, suggesting that market is holding, market is stopping its trend, market is stopping its downtrend. And there are some positive news that's coming on the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, which can be a next move for cryptocurrency from these levels. For all the safe traders out there, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can definitely wait for these levels to break and wait for the retracement, and this will be the right levels to buy. Okay, you can wait for it. Definitely these are the very important levels actually comparatively, because even if we are going to 1 hour time frame right here, okay, that's what happened. We have some important levels even in 1 hour time frame. So this entire the entire area is a buy area if the levels are been crossed. Okay, so that's why I mentioned right here that if you want to buy the cryptocurrency, wait for the retracement, then you can definitely buy, because this entire area becomes a buy area. Wait for it, supply being reduced. Okay, wait, make sure that supply is reducing right here. If the supply is reducing, we can definitely go for a buy. We can buy bitcoins at the right level. Okay, so the next target for bitcoins will be around 80,000 USDT. Okay, the next target for bitcoin is 80,000 USDT. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, this is not the first video or something like that. I'm gonna keep making cryptocurrency videos again and again, so nothing to worry about it. All the major news and every single thing I'll be making a video. Now let's go to the next coin which I mentioned as in the title, that is Solana. Okay, one of my favorite coins. This is what I believe, that Solana can be the next Ethereum. Okay, Solana is definitely the next Ethereum for according to me, because this has a huge network. There's a huge investors are backing up this one particular coin. So what happens right here is that, as you can see, we had a smart money level right here. I'm going to draw the levels from the initial levels. Okay, look at the levels right here. These were the smart money presence right here, and market reacted to the same level and started creating its up move after a while. But if you think about it, okay, if you think about it, market is having an absorption volume right here, and at the same time it is also having a stopping volume right here. Already told you, this is a failed stopping volume. As you can see, this is a failed stopping volume. Why? It was created after an uptrend, and this is creating after a downtrend, and we have a reference right here. We have a reference in which this entire area is a buy area as of now for us. What we can do is, some of risky traders out there, they might be buying around these levels. If you think that Solana will go down right here, Solana might create a downtrend right here, what you can do is you can definitely wait for the stopping volume levels to be broken. If you want to buy it, you can buy above the stopping volume levels. If you want to sell it, you can sell below the stopping volume levels, as this has a huge volume. Comparatively, some smart money, some traders out there, some whales are definitely watching these levels again and again. Okay, that's how you have to be cautious about it. I would also recommend, if you want to go for a buy, definitely wait for a retracement, then you can go for a buy setup right here, and the next target will be the 300 levels. Okay, for the Solana, the next target will be 300 levels. And right now I'm going to show you one more thing right here. So right now we are in the coin market cal website right here, and you can see that in the top coins, which Solana is placing on the 5th place. Okay, it's only $195 per coin. But when I bought Solana, it was around 2,000 rupees. Okay, in rupees, I bought around 2,000 rupees. Now Solana is around like 14,000 or 15,000 or something. I'm really happy about it. This has a huge future comparatively. Now, if you're going to Solana right here, this website shows what are the next upcoming events for Solana. Okay, what are the upcoming events? What are the news for this one particular coin? When you're thinking about it, we have an upcoming news in on 31st December 2021. I think today the date is around like 6th December, and right now 31st December 2021, we have a link integration on SOL. The chain link is to launch Solana mainnet beta during quarterly 4 2021. So fourth quarter they are releasing their new news right here. Their plans to launch Solana mainnet beta. So technically this can be a positive news for Solana in the upcoming days. So that's what I'm thinking about it right here. If we are getting a up move right here, definitely I'm waiting for this one particular up move. I'm also thinking to buy after these levels. So if you're a person who wants to invest Solana at the right time, I think you have to definitely wait for the up move. Definitely you're gonna get a retracement for sure, as this is a smart money's presence out there. Okay, I'm explaining in a very simple term, because in VSA it's a huge term right here. So just understand that you will definitely get a retracement after a up move. So wait for it. All the safe traders out there, please wait for it. All the safe investors out there, if you want to invest Solana, invest at the right time. Don't invest right now, because anything can happen right here. Solana might create a sell downtrend also. That's why I'm also waiting for it. Once I get a confirmation, I'm going for a buy. I'm going for a buy trade right here. Okay, I'm definitely buying Solana around 212.64. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next videos. And I'm gonna keep bringing a lot of videos regarding volume spread analysis. Thank you so much. Goodbye.